Benefits of carrot juice. 1. Strengthen immunity and prevents heart diseases. Carrot juice makes your immunity system strong and reduces the risk of heart diseases as it is rich in vitamin A that is good for your heart and immunity. Beta-carotene makes it a rich source of vitamin A. It also helps improve the immune system. 2. Control cholesterol. It helps to control cholesterol level in your body. Carrot contains potassium that helps to reduce cholesterol levels quickly. 3. Clotting agent. It helps your blood to clot as vitamin A is present in carrot. 4. Cure external wounds and gums. Carrot carries vitamin C that is helpful in treating wounds and kill germs. 5. Anti-cancer agent. Carrots works as an anti-cancer agent due to the presence of carotene. 6. Protein creation and improves bone health. It contains vitamin K that is most essential for the production of protein in your body. Carrot juice has potassium that helps to recover bone health. 7. Purify the liver. Carrot juice is best to cleanse the liver health and the toxins in the liver are eliminated if there is a daily intake of carrot juice. 8. Removes infections. Great benefit of carrot juice is that it prevents both internal and external infections due to its antiviral and disinfectant properties. 9. Eliminates gastronomical problem. Carrot juice helps to get rid of any gastrointestinal problems and maintains stomach health. 10. Stimulate urination. Carrot juice plays very vital role to promote urination in your body and removes uric acid which eliminates extreme bile from body. 11. Regularize menstruation cycle. This carrot juice is beneficial and effective for women in improving menstruation cycle and relief from menstruation pains. 12. Cures dryness and scarring. The presence of potassium in carrots helps in neutralizing pH balance on the skin. This reduces skin dryness and decreases scars blemishes from your skins and keeps your skin fully moisturized. 13. Prevents acne. Get rid of acne forever by consuming carrot juice every day as it contains antibacterial properties that help to prevent acne from your skin immediately. 14. Rich in vitamins necessary for skin. Carrot juice is a high source of multivitamins that acts effectively to prevent several skin diseases and give natural and glowing skin. 15. Protects damage from sun. Carrot juice is a rich source of beta-carotenoid that helps prevent sunburns and damage caused to the skin due to excessive exposure to sunlight. 16. Fights aging. Carrot juice naturally helps to fight against aging problem and removes wrinkles. Taking carrot juice every day is helpful for your skin and it removes sagging skin and maintains elasticity in your skin. It also helps in maintaining skin tones perfectly. 17. Maintains hair. Consuming carrot juice makes your hair healthy and best for hair growth. 18. Nail care. Carrot juice benefits for your nail that improves nail strength. 19. Fetal growth and breast milk production. Carrot juice should be consumed during pregnancy as it promotes the breast milk production along with it is extremely advantageous for fetal growth. 20. Prevents infections in unborn child. Intake of carrot juice during your 3 months of pregnancy it helps prevent severe infection in unborn child. 21. Provides calcium. It is great source of calcium that is best for overall health improvement. 22. Muscle gain. Carrot juice is richest in vitamin A that helps to get more intensive workout and build your muscle masses. 23. Improves metabolism. Carrot juice also contains vitamin B complexes that are helpful to increase as well as improve metabolism in your body. 24. Increases oxygen carrying capacity. Iron is presented in carrot juice that helps to increase the oxygen carrying capacity in our body. 25. Energy utilization. Carrot juice carries phosphorus that produces excess energy in your body. 26. Reduces blood sugar levels. Carrot juice has large amounts of manganese that controls blood sugar levels in the body. 27. Helps in digestion. Carrot juice contains more fiber that helps to digest food easily. 28. Cleanses the body. Carrot juice also helps to cleanse your body and get rid of bad toxins that properly help to reduce weight. 29. Increase stamina. Drinking carrot juice helps to increase your stamina power and you perform heavy workout daily. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for good health.